again.
Hi guys, it's Lana here, and today I want to show you guys a quick little hair tutorial that is going to make your hair look twice as long without any weird kind of hair growth formula, without any extensions, without a wig. It's all your hair, just twice as long. If you feel like that's something that you need, then remember to thumbs up this video and let's just get straight on into it. So this little technique is something that I used to use all the time when my hair was a lot shorter, back when it was damaged, back when I was first growing it out in my little hair journey days. And I actually explained it on my channel when my channel was first starting out, and it was like sort of buried in like a whole hairstyles video. I think you guys actually really liked it. It had positive comments, I remember. There's actually a lot more of you guys now than there were then. There's now 200,000 of you, which is absolutely insane. But now that means that a lot of you guys may not have seen that video. And also I have refined the technique so it's 100 times better and it just looks better. It looks more natural. It looks more real. There's actually a lot of noise going on. Like the dogs are barking. Somebody's like bashing pots and pans down there. So I think we may have to jump into a voiceover. We'll see. I just get like so kind of stressed out when I'm trying to film, and then their dog starts barking and they start yelling at their dog, and then we've got pots and pans man over here. Let's see if we can continue just like this. If you guys just want to imagine that my hair is shorter than it is. So we're doing a sleek tutorial, okay? That means you're going to need some water and you're going to need some gel. So let's first of all spray some water over the top. And also you're going to want to take that back here and on this side. So then take some gel.
So the water and the gel together will help make your hair really sleek and help hold it in place in the ponytail.
And brush it back.
So I'm using a tangle teaser to brush my hair back, and that will just get rid of any bumps and make it really smooth. And then I'm going along with just like a normal hair tie. My hair ties don't have any of the gold metal strips on them because those can rip your hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and tie this hair tie around my hair as tight as it will go. And for my hair, that's usually 3 times around. So I'm going to go and do that because I like my hair ties to be tight, especially if I'm doing a high pony. So then I take this little pintail comb and I just smooth out any bumps that I might have created, and I go ahead and I lay my edges with my toothbrush, and I'm just gonna go and redefine some of the curls. I'm so sinking in the bottom of my bed.
So this is what usually happens when I tie my hair up. I lose a lot of length. I know my hair is still pretty long, but if you can just imagine your hair length, you know how it is. Like, you know how long your hair is. So mine ends up being just past my shoulder, which is a lot shorter than my hair is. My hair is pretty much down to my waist. I think even further than my waist. Yeah, and now it's at my shoulder. That's a big difference. Where did my length go? Have you seen my length? They could have taken the diamonds. They could have taken the TV. But they took my length. So this is a normal kind of ponytail length for me. You know, it's not looped around or anything like that. It's just in this little scrunchie. There ain't nothing else going on in there.
So obviously when you tie your hair up, it does look shorter because you're holding it higher on your head. There's nothing you can really do about that. That's just science, you know. Until you see what I do next.
Okay, so now I want to show you guys how you can make this probably twice as long. So go ahead and take that out. Does anybody else? You have to like unwrap every tie. Like you can't just pull it out like some people do. I have to like unwrap the hair tie. Then what you want to do is you want to take off the top section, like as if you want to do a half up, half down. So you have this top section right here. You want to separate your hair. So you have this top section, just go ahead and clip that up. You also want to take this section behind your ear right down to the nape of your neck. Let's wrap this up. This little bit needs to be clipped up. And you want to do the same thing on this side. So you want to take it running from behind your ear all the way down to the nape of your neck. This section of hair is probably going to be about 1 inch wide. So you can clip this one up as well. So you have a section of hair right here. And you have a section of hair on this side as well. So when you have your 2 pieces clipped away at the sides like this, then you want to start moving these pieces of hair in towards the middle. Let me move this out of the way so that you guys can see.
So all I'm doing is pushing my hair towards the middle of my head and pinning it down with bobby pins. So this is just really going to help it to look more like a ponytail instead of a half up, half down. Because if I just left it all out, then people might be suspicious, you know?
So when the rest of your hair has kind of been clipped like this, then you can go ahead and you can take these side pieces. So you want to take some water again, spray this, take some more gel.
So you just want to push your hair up towards the top of your head where the ponytail is going to be and smooth that all down with the water and the gel. I'm taking my pintail comb.
Then when these are pushed up like this, you can go ahead and bring them into the rest of your ponytail.
So you want to grab all of that loose hair now, the pieces from the side and the top knot, and just push it all up into the ponytail. Just smooth it out, make sure there's no bumps, and go ahead and tie that up again with your hair tie. So again, I'm tying this as tightly as it will go because I want to hold all of my hair in place, and it's just really going to help it look like a full single ponytail.
So now your super long ponytail is done, and I really hope that you guys will try it out. If you guys try this out, remember to tag me in your stories and I will repost you. I am going to do that with every hairstyle video that I make because I really like it when you guys try out my hairstyles, and I just want to like share it with the whole Sunbeam squad. So if you try this hairstyle, I will repost you to my stories if you tag me. So this is how you get that really super long looking ponytail. You guys can see it goes way back and it's blended so that it looks real. So it's in my armpit, my hair is so long.
So that's the look. Tell me in the comments if you think you would have been fooled by this if you saw me in real life. Would you really think my ponytail was that long? And do you think it's worth it? Do you think it's worth the time it takes, or are you just going to stay putting your hair up in a normal ponytail? You know, because I put my hair in a normal ponytail most days, just gotta say. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember, I am making videos every single day in December, or I'm trying to at least. So make sure that you are subscribed so that you don't miss them, and tell me in the comments what videos you want to see from me next, because I will definitely try to make time for them in my December video schedule. Lord knows I need a lot of videos. We're making a video every day. That's 30 videos. So just let me know what you want to see.
Just stay in